Good morning, grade 4. Our lesson for today is about abstract and concrete nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a name of a person, places, thing, and animal. Study these examples. Number 1. Nestor loved to play in the playground. The nouns are Nestor and playground. Number 2. Our new baby was born in the hospital on Friday. The nouns are baby, hospital, and Friday. Okay, grade 4. One class of noun is what we call abstract. Your 5 senses cannot detect them. Abstract noun cannot be seen, cannot be heard, you cannot smell, you cannot taste, and you cannot touch. Abstract nouns don't refer to people or places. After all, people and places are real things that exist in our world. Abstract nouns are things. Remember, though, that abstract nouns only refer to intangible things such as emotions, ideas, philosophies, and concept. Example of abstract nouns: emotions. You feel emotions like happiness or anger as thoughts in your mind or activity in your brain and body. You cannot hold happiness in your hand or eat a plate of sadness. You can see people or animals expressing these emotions through actions, but emotions are not tangible objects. Other example of abstract nouns: anger, surprise, disgust, joy, fear, anxiety, and hope. Other example of abstract noun: ideas, concepts, and beliefs. Besides emotion, abstract nouns are also used to refer to other concepts and ideas. Abstract nouns are common nouns, meaning that they refer to general ideas. They can also be proper name nouns such as Christianity. Examples of ideas, concepts, and beliefs: government, dedication, cruelty, justice, and Christianity. Other example of abstract nouns. Number 1. The worst enemy of creativity is self-doubt. Creativity is abstract noun. Number 2. His strength has diminished over the years. Strength is an abstract noun. She appreciated her friend's optimism in the face of the difficult situation. Optimism is an abstract noun. The robot had many impressive abilities. Abilities are considered as abstract noun. Her blindness didn't stop her from being successful. We go now to the concrete nouns. Many nouns are concrete, not abstract. Concrete nouns register on your 5 senses. You can see, you can hear, you can smell, and you can taste, and you can touch. Concrete nouns. Examples of a concrete nouns: my throat is swollen due to cold water. Cold is a concrete noun here, and it is also used as an adjective. Number 2. My father bought me the book I wanted for a long time. The book is a concrete noun because we can see and touch the book. Other example: my skin is very dry, so I have to moisturize it. Dry is also a concrete noun because we can perceive it when we touch it. This is my favorite sweater because its color is yellow. Yellow, which is color noun, is also a concrete name because we can see with our eyes. Thank you, grade 4, for listening. See you again next time. God bless.